Hello. Good morning. Say hello to my plants. Hello, plants. Hi, hi, hi. So, ngayon, meron akong reaction. Bakit? Napapansin niyo ba yun? Parang lately, may mga tao na masyadong, ano bang term for that? Defensive. Like, ako as a person na merong mental health issues. Parang I took it upon me to always ask my friends kung kamusta na sila. Tapos, ako kasi pag ako kinakamusta, nagti-thank you ako. Tapos, parang meron konting agreement na parang I'm showing gratitude na kinamusta niya ako. Meron kasi akong kinamusta. Tapos, apart from the kamusta is, meron akong parang minsan kasi may ganun ako, like, when God is telling me na, you have to tell this certain message to a person. Kasi nga, di ba, God sends His love through His people. So, the messages, the love that He has for His children, sa mga tao din niya yung pinapadaan. Kaya may mga times na may mga strangers na biglang mag-offer ng help sa'yo, or biglang out of a blue, biglang there's this somebody na will be the answer to your prayers. That's God. That's God. That's God's way of saying na I'm here. You're not alone. Ngayon, parang nawiweirdahan lang kasi ako dahil itong person na to, reply na kasi parang antipatiko. Para bang I can almost hear him saying it to me. Na parang wala namang bad intention dun sa ginawa ko. Parang I'm just relaying a message. Tapos, yung ending niya na parang, oo nga, so, because we're all going through. So, lahat tayo may mental health issues. And parang feeling ko, that's not, parang you don't have to be so defensive about it. Diba? It sounded defensive. It sounded defensive to me. Na parang bang ang dating sa akin is, hindi lang ako yung may ganito, lahat tayo. Parang ganun. Ko, paano ba magkaroon? Alam nyo, I have this bad habit, reading in between the lines. Doon nag-uumpisa ang pagiging overthinking, ang pagiging paranoid when you read in between the lines na wala naman talagang i-read, but you do it anyway because it's just the way that you are, kasi nga you're paranoid. So ako, I'm trying so hard not to think of it, but it really just sounded a little off. What do you think? I mean, comment lang below if you agree, or kung hindi naman, maybe you guys can enlighten me na baka ito lang talaga yung meaning niya. Diba, palakas yung nagwawali sa labas. So anyway, yun lang po. So, have a nice day, everyone. Tudo!